Hello guys, welcome to pcdrills where you find help on how to handle your PC related issues. Today we'll be showing you how you can back up your WhatsApp messages. Such a trick is very important such that when you lose your device or change your device, you can easily get back all your messages from the online backup that you did. Backing up here, you do it by storing your files to the Gmail. You store all your messages, groups, contacts, files, videos, audios, and the rest on your Google account. So it depends on what you wish to store. For example, here is my WhatsApp. I have a lot of messages. To set up the backup, it is a one-time thing. Just set up the backup, it backs up every time depending on the settings you have given it. So let's get started. All you need to do is take the options button found on the top right on WhatsApp. When you just open it, take the options button, and you have this last option here. It tells me settings. I take settings. After taking settings, it opens up the settings of your WhatsApp account. The first one is the name, description, account, chat, and so on. What I need to do here is take this second option of chats. First one is accounts, which will deal with phone numbers, security, privacy, and so on. Next, I will have to take but chat option, which is the second option as you can see on my screen. You take the chat option. After choosing chats, you scroll down. We are not going to talk about the display wallpaper. That's not what we are interested in. You scroll down till we have the second to the last option that says chat backup. Last one says chat history, but we're interested in second to the last one, which says chat backup. You just click on chat backup. Here you can read a small message says backup your messages and media to Google Drive. You can restore them when you reinstall WhatsApp. Your messages will also back up to your phone's SD card. Local February 1st 234. Local means saved to the device, like saved on my phone. And Google Drive, you can see the option here, it says never. Never here means it has never saved things to my Google Drive. Simply means I've not set up any backup. I don't have any backup. So if I back up, for example, today, all the files that are on my WhatsApp today, they will get saved on my Google Drive. So it depends. I can back up today. I won't back up again depending on how I choose to do it, and I can back up and make sure that my phone keeps backing up within a period of days depending on how I set it. So to set up the backup, you can scroll down here and you see the various options. To set up the backup, you scroll down and you choose the Google account that you wish to use. A Google Drive works with a Google account, which is basically saying that it's working with a Gmail account. So if you just set up the Gmail, you don't need to have the Google Drive in your phone. You just need to have a Gmail account that you can set up for your backup. Remember, backing up sometimes takes much data depending on the files you have. Maybe you can have videos that are very heavy, or files, books, and so on. Depends. If you're backing up just messages, will be lightweight compared to having videos. So you just take this option of Google account to set up which account you wish to use for your backup. In your phone, you might have several Google accounts that you wish to use that you can use. So you need to choose one of them. You can't back up on two accounts at the same time. So I just choose this Google account to choose a particular Google account that I have on my phone. And the options here says couldn't sign in just because I'm not connected to the internet. Basically, I'm just showing you what you have to do. Here, couldn't sign in, but when I click here, it's supposed to open up the Google accounts found on my phone. For example, the pcdrills official at gmail.com that we usually use if you wish to contact us. But after selecting the Google account, you have this option here. It says back up to Google Drive. You see the option never. If you click on never, you can see the various options. First one says never, meaning that you should never back up. That's what I did. I've not been backing up my messages. Second one says only when I tap backup. It means every time I need to back up, let's say I've gotten a lot of messages and I see that they are important and I wish to back up, that's when I come and click backup and it gets backup. I'll show you where this backup is, that the second option is talking about. It's at the very first beginning of this menu that we have here. Now you have daily option. Daily means every day, maybe at a particular time in a day, every morning, every night, your messages get backed up automatically. So the first option is like never backing up. The second one is like manual backup. You come and click backup when you wish. The third one is daily backup. It's automatic, but it happens daily. The other one is weekly. Weekly here means if you back up maybe on a Monday, if your backup is happening every Monday, and you lose your phone on maybe a Friday, all your messages for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are lost since the backup hasn't been done yet. Monthly option is basically the same thing. If you back up every first of the month, it means if you lose your phone on the 28th of that particular month, it means from the 1st to the 28th of that month, those messages have been lost since the backup has not yet been carried out. I hope you understand the explanation. So you just need to choose which one you like, and basically if you're setting up the backup, you cannot take never. You can't be setting up a backup that you won't do. Basically I usually take only when I tap backup. This option is because it's not all the time that I have enough internet connection to do backups. That's why I choose only when I tap backup, so that when I have enough data I can back up, and when I don't have enough data I will not back up my stuff. So it just depends on you and how you wish to do your own backup, but the explanation guides you to choose the one that's best for you. As I said, I'm just explaining it to you. I don't wish to set up any backup, and if you face any issues, you can leave them right there at the comment section. We'll respond to all of them. After setting up your account and setting up your backup to Google Drive, this option that says never here, when you change it, put maybe only when you tap backup, daily, weekly, monthly, and so on. You also have the option of backing up over Wi-Fi only. Maybe you wish that only when you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, it is when you do backups. Maybe you work somewhere and the company provides free Wi-Fi and it's unlimited bandwidth. Such backup is very good to be carried out over such a network because the cost is not weighing on you. You don't incur any extra cost for doing that. Next, you have this last option here which says include videos. Include videos means if you wish to backup and backup plus the video files you have on your WhatsApp, you simply have to tick the box, just switch it on, and that's all. But if you don't wish to include videos, you just switch it off, meaning that if I back up now without switching on videos, it will back up all my messages, audios, photos, messages, and so on. But for the video, any video file I have sent to someone or someone has sent to me, I can't have it. That's the meaning of include videos. So you switch it on or off depending on your choice. Once you are done, all you need to do is come right here to the top and click on backup. After clicking on backup, you just need to wait. Depending on your internet speed, if it's faster, the backup gets done faster. Also depending on the size of messages that you have. If you're backing up 1 GB, it will definitely take more time than someone who is backing up 100 megabytes. So just keep that in mind. Thanks for watching, and we hope it was useful, and we wish that may you stay safe. These things are very important. You don't know what might happen. You can lose your phone in a theft, accident, might fall into water, and so on. So it's good to back up such that when you use even a different phone, you can easily retrieve all your messages from the backup media. So if you back up today using maybe an Android phone, that is Samsung, tomorrow you wish to use a Galaxy S12, meanwhile you are using Galaxy S10 today, you don't need to be doing copy and paste. All you need to do is install WhatsApp on the other one, use your phone number, and it will suggest you the option to retrieve from your backup. Remember, please, when you first of all install WhatsApp and you are setting up your account, if it asks you to retrieve information from the backup, you should do that first before using your WhatsApp. If not, you can't back up after using it. So if you are planning on taking things from your backup, you should take them when you set up your new WhatsApp. So what I'm basically saying is, if I lost this phone and I did backup on this phone and I buy a new one, I insert my SIM on the other one to use it, WhatsApp is going to ask me if I wish to retrieve my information from the backup. What I should do there is take yes and I retrieve it before I start using the WhatsApp. If not, if I take no, I won't be able to retrieve this information if I have started using it to text. If you don't understand the point, you can ask for further explanation in the comment section. Right now, I think it's over for this particular video. Thanks for watching. If you are new to the channel, please like, subscribe, share, and recommend. If you have any issues related to this video or not related, please try to get in touch. You can always get to us through our social media platforms. We have Facebook, WhatsApp, Telegram, and so on, even on YouTube and in the comment section. You can also send us a mail. We'll be very happy to get from you. Thanks, and see you next time on our next video. Bye.